How can teachers track student progress? Firstring believes a good lesson is one that is student-led, where the tutor encourages the student to ask specific questions on areas they may find more difficult or questions they are just curiosity of on our part. Firstring will be patient and thorough in providing a detailed explanation. In addition, we will monitor student progress carefully and provide constructive feedback on their work regularly. To us, a key aspect of learning is engagement. Enjoying a topic makes it a lot easier to understand and recall. After having an excellent teacher at GCSEs, we first began to really enjoy and succeed in English. This is precisely what we aim to replicate with our students.
Hey guys, my name is Ashwin Thomas and I'm a student at Firstring Global Online Tuition. And this is my vlog on how Firstring Global Online Tuition managed to help me improve on my weak subjects. Firstly, I wasn't doing particularly well at English and science. I had been getting really bad scores and I needed help fast as GCSE was right off the corner. That's when I was introduced to Firstring Global Online Tuition. So I started doing Firstring Global Online Tuition. I had made a lot of progress with the help of the teachers, who taught me different subjects in science and English. I learned a lot from them. They tested me through worksheets and homeworks, which was set at the end of each lesson, and we went through it at the start of each lesson to see if I was making any progress. Within 3 months, my teachers at school had started to notice the difference I was making. I'd been doing fantastically well at my test, which meant that I could beat my targets. This is all thanks to Firstring Global Online Tuition. So if you're thinking of joining, I surely recommend you do, and you will see the difference in your lessons.
The main thing which it helped me with is to understand that in the question itself there are the key words in which you have to use in the answer. So basically, if the question is like, what is photosynthesis, you have to write in 4 sentences, photosynthesis is, and then what photosynthesis is. So this was a great leap for me, and basically I'm so happy that I managed to do this. Not only this, my time management skills were poor before I joined Firstring.